Hey everybody, thanks for watching. This is a really quick how-to video on how to take chrome, old chrome that has all this surface rust. And this is from a 1960s balloon-tired bicycle. It's chrome fenders. And in about a minute, I worked on this other one. And you can see this one looks not perfect, but with about a minute, it doesn't look like this one anymore. And with a minimal amount of elbow grease and a little bit of product, you can get it like that. The product I'm talking about is steel wool, and it's a flexible abrasive, of course, and it comes in different grades. The most fine is called 0000 or quad 0. The next grades, each grade to the right is a little more coarse. This bag is got 16 pads of 00. And it looks like this. You can get the real rough stuff. This is probably about a 2 or a 3. And you'll start with a 2 or a 3 to get the coarse rust off, and then finish up like sandpaper with a higher number, or lower number actually, and that'll make it a little more shiny. Setting this on a tripod, and we'll change it before your eyes. I'm going to start with the real coarse stuff. And I'm going to turn this over here to the ground because I got to hold it, but real quickly you can see, watch this stuff just disappear. Gone. So with not a lot of effort, I'm not breathing hard, not flexing anything hard, it's coming off. We'll go on this end here. You can see all that red coming off nicely. Down here, some of these really rough areas like that may not come off. We'll check it out. Well, it's a lot better. So about 90% of the stuff came off with this coarse steel wool. And now I'm going to move to a much finer one. This might be 00. And this will take some of the scratches off that you just put on with the coarser stuff and polish the chrome better. So surface rust is not an issue with just the little buffing with steel wool. So I'm going to hit this part a little bit more. And then it's going on eBay. I parted out this old 1960s Murray Monterey balloon tire bike, and it'll command for a much higher price now that it doesn't have all that rust on there. But if you have a collectible of your own, which I do, and you want to maintain them, you need to have this sort of a tool in your inventory to take care of your stuff. Thanks for watching.